slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Supreme Cross Box Logo hoodie from TeeBee. So before I get into everything, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, show some love, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like on the video. Last but not least, follow my Instagram, link is always in the description, at iReviewStuffTV. So let's get into this, man. This took about 2 weeks to get here, 2 to 3 weeks. Came in just a regular bag, no Supreme bag or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that. It's first purchase from them. I got this and the Chrome Hearts hat, so just wanted to see how they are. Anyways, let's get into it, man. What's the other thing? Oh yeah, I was just gonna say, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. Educational purposes only. So yeah, with that out of the way, here is the website information. So the website is teebee.ru and Instagram is at teebee.ru. You can go check them out there if you so wish. I was gonna say something else. Anyways, I forgot. So let's get into it. Yeah, just regular Supreme hoodie though. Nothing crazy going on. We've reviewed BOGOs on this channel before. I'm not too sure if the videos are up on this current channel, but yeah, seems to be pretty good quality, honestly, from what I can see. And I apologize for the bad contrast and whatnot. It's just an all black product, so my contrast kind of tends to be pretty bad on stuff like that. But yeah, as you can see here, Supreme Cross, 2 box logos overlapping. Let's get into the tags and then we'll cover this a little bit more just so we can get that out of the way. But inside the hoodie itself, here's the wash tag, just so y'all can see that. 100% cotton. Doesn't say anything else besides some branding there. Or not some branding, I believe that's washing instructions. And then some more washing instructions here, made in Canada. There's a RN number 101837, it looks like. Just a single stitch going. Not too sure what is retail, retail these days with these hoodies. I haven't bought anything Supreme for a very long time. But here at the neck, there's also another tag. 2 actually, so it says made in Canada here. And then right there has some same RN 101837, I believe. And then underneath here, extra large, made in Canada. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. You get this little Supreme tag, nothing crazy, no barcode or sticker. It's a loose thread here. Let's just get that out of the way. You may find loose threads here and there, especially on Supreme stuff, just because their thread count's so high. So yeah, a little disclaimer. But overall, the hoodie quality, it is pretty, like a pretty heavy hoodie. It's not like light by any means. Quality feels good, it's nice and thick, so feels like a regular Supreme hoodie, honestly, to me. There's also another tag I forgot. I haven't reviewed a hoodie from Supreme in a long time, so this is another tag, Supreme tag on the side. Nothing crazy. You got the kangaroo pocket here, nice and big, feels good, nice fleecy inside, or cotton inside. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see stitch is all good all throughout the whole hoodie. There you can see how proper it is. So quality of the stitch, and then some ribbing on the side, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for that. Here at the neck, you got the drawstrings with the little metal hole right there. That's how those look. So y'all can see that. That's that. And then yeah, last but not least, the box logo itself. Most important part of the hoodie. So as you can see there, let's see if the E lines up. If I had something straight to put against it, maybe this might not be 100% straight, but I guess the E, I don't know, looks like the E is pretty good, honestly, from what I can see. because sometimes the E is floating. At least that's the last time I was reviewing Supreme BOGOs. The E floating was a big thing, but I'm not sure what people look for honestly these days. So you guys let me know how that looks. Maybe give me a DM or something, take a screenshot of this and show me where a flaw would be. But yeah, looks good to me. You got the double BOGO here, no loose threads or anything like that on the stitch itself, so that's good. And inside the hoodie itself, if we take a look here, you can see how it's actually stitched inside, just for y'all fanatics out there. Check that out. So looks super clean to me honestly. That's pretty much it for the BOGO itself. Anything else, I don't really know what else to go over on this hoodie. It's pretty simple and it's an all black hoodie. Nothing else crazy going on with it really. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Nothing much else to go over. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, show some love to your boy. And with that being said, stay tuned for more heat on the way. I got quite a few things coming out, so hopefully gonna get some videos out more regularly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.